you and I are going to talk about 2019 New Year's resolutions. Hey guys! Welcome to Talk About It Tuesdays with me, your host, Jordyn. Today we're going to be tacoing about, get it? Tacoing, get it? Today we're going to be tacoing about New Year's resolutions and my opinion on them. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? Comment down below if you do. But first, let's talk about today's tacos. Here we have some pork carnitas tacos with a little bit of salsa on the top. I got pork because pork is supposed to mean good luck, and who wouldn't want to start off the New Year's with good luck? These smell so good, so I can't wait to dig in. God. To be honest, I don't really think about New Year's resolutions that much. I just kind of go along with my year and make goals as I see them fit. I also think that people put so much pressure to make a New Year's resolution right after Christmas. Everybody's like, what's your resolution? What are you gonna do? What is it? And I'm just like, I just want to play with my presents, okay guys? But I think it's okay to take your time and do your own pace so you actually make a goal that you want to do and you want to progress in. What do you guys think about New Year's resolutions? And are you guys gonna make one? Comment down below to let me know. I really want to know what you guys think. I also want to try new things. I'm trying piano right now, so that's really good. I want to keep focusing on that and keep doing that. Comment down below what's something new you guys want to try, and if you're already trying something new, tell me how it's going. Alright guys, so make sure you subscribe to never miss another Talk About It Tuesday, and hit that post notification bell so you never miss an upload. Make sure you comment down below what's your favorite taco, and I might even eat it in the next video. Happy New Year's guys, see you next week, bye!